Good morning, my tiny dots. How are you today? Do you remember what we have learnt yesterday? We have learnt alphabet P, correct? So let's revise it and then we will do one interesting activity.
This is Mama P. This is Baby P. Capital P, small p. The sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. P for peacock. P for parrot. P for pen. P for pan. P for piano. P for potato. P for plant. P for penguin. P for papaya. P for pin. P for pot. P for pillow. P for plate. P for pig. And P for pencil.
Okay, children, now it's activity time. Come on, let's start the activity.
See children, for this activity I have written some capital alphabet on a chart paper. And I have some paper glasses and I have written baby P, small p on each glass. We have to take glasses one by one and find Mama P and put these glasses on Mama P one by one on a chart paper. Let's start. This is baby P, small p. Now let's find Mama P. Is this Mama P? Yes, this is Mama P. So put this glass on Mama P. Now take the next glass. Now, is this Mama P? No. Is this Mama P? Yes. So we will put this glass on Mama P. Like this. Now take the next glass. Is this Mama P? Yes. So we will put this glass on this circle. Now next glass. Let's find another Mama P. Is this Mama P? No. Is this Mama P? Yes. So we will put this glass on this circle. Now take the next glass. Is this Mama P? Does it match? No. Is this Mama P? Yes. So we will put this glass on this circle. Now take the last glass. Is this Mama P? No. Is this Mama P? Yes. So we will put this glass here. So we found all Mama P's, correct? And we are done with the activity.
So children, did you enjoy this activity? I hope you all had fun. Maza aaya na sabko? So you can do this activity at your home with the help of your mama. Okay, सब लोग घर पे मम्मा की हेल्प से ये एक्टिविटी करना. Fine? Now I will give you the solution of the worksheet.
See children, I have colored the picture of parrot with green color very nicely. I hope you all have done the same way. Good job children.
Okay children, bye-bye for today. I will see you soon. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Take care of yourself.